Hi, it's Atif here, one of SEO executive at Lemon. Today we are gonna study about the indexing related issues because indexing comes first and then the rankings. So over there, if any page is set to no index tag, then we will be looking at how we can fix that, and if a page is perfect and even not being indexed, then what we can do. So we will discuss these two things in this meeting. So the first thing is if a page is set to no index and what we can do. So the plugin that I'm using to fix that issue is the Rank Math SEO plugin. We can install that, and after that it will be shown over here after final configuration, and in the instant indexing section we can directly paste the link and submit URL if there is no index, if there is a indexing tag added to that page. But if there is a no index tag added to that specific page, then what we can do is we can we can do that with two methods. The first one is edit that page specifically, go into the SEO thing, and by clicking over here it will show you the options like index tag or no index tag. So if we need that in indexing, then I will check this option, else I will be doing. If I don't need want to index this page, then I will check this option. So right now I wanted to index, I check this and then I click on publish. Everything will work fine. This will be, the issue will be fixed. And the second method to fix this is directly open that page, and if you have logged in to your WordPress account, then that option will be shown over here, rank math SEO, and from the drop down of mark this page over here it will show us the options to add to index or not index. So it's already set on index, so it is not showing that option. We can mark this as no index. But if we add this page to no index already, then it will be showing mark this page to index. And that's how we can fix these issues. And later fixing this, another method is to submit that URL if there are no issues happening like the indexing stuff, indexing tags or no index tags. Then we can directly submit that URL to GSC. To, for example, I am going to Google Search Console, and then in the inspect any URL, I can paste that URL. It will crawl that and retrieve data from Google, and then that will be shown over here like this. And the page is already indexed, but if it's not indexed, then and all of the issues are fixed, then what we can do is after fixing the issues we can click on request indexing button, and then the Google will crawl this page again, and if everything goes well the page will get indexed. So that's how we are going to fix the indexing issues, and that will help us in getting those pages in SERP, and then those will be visible to our users, and then we can get the traffic and further stuff.